Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to NYC Motor Life. In today's video, we're changing alternator on this 2018 Toyota Camry. It happened to me. I was driving my car. I heard a noise around 5 minutes before this happened, and I opened the hood. I noticed a little bit noise is coming on the belt side, and then I looked at it. Everything looks okay, and the noise went away. And then right after that, I rode like around 5-6 miles local. I heard another noise, and I got the notification my charging system is not working. So when I opened the hood, this is what I saw. The alternator pulley broke off completely. My belt went inside, and let me see if I able to take out that pulley. Here you go, guys. Here you go. I got it out. Sorry, I'm holding a camera with one hand. So guys, this is my pulley of the alternator, and still can't believe this happened. So let's begin the job and open this alternator and put the new one. To start the job, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the negative terminal, and then we don't have to remove the belt because belt is already off. So in this situation is different. Then we're gonna lose this connector. It's gonna be the 10 mm bolt, and then after that there is another connector at the bottom. There's a thing on the side, the push thing, so you can slide it out. And then, if I'm not wrong, it's gonna be 1, 2, and 3 bolts. You guys see those 2 bolts at the bottom? Those 2 and this one. These 3 bolts are holding the alternator inside, and there is another 10 mm bolt at the bottom for the harness. As you guys can see, we gotta remove that too. So let's begin the job, guys. This is the overall look. Let's do it. So let's begin with losing this terminal. Okay, set that on the side. So now we have to loosen up this connector. It's holding the 10 mm bolt. So this moves on the side, and then we gotta unplug this thing, this connector from the alternator. There's the push pin on the other side, so you squeeze that one and slide it off. And then there is another 10 more mm bolt right there. This one is holding a harness, wire harness next to the alternator, so we gotta remove it. So after removing this connector, that connector, and bolt over here 10 mm, removing this harness, the alternator is, the wiring wise, is free already. Now we have to remove 1, 2, and 3 12 mm bolt. Let's do that. after removing those 3 bolts, the alternator is pretty much loose. Let's slide it out. So guys, alternator is out. So this is the new alternator. I pick it up. As you guys can see, this is for 2018 Toyota Camry. You can take this information, the parts number and everything. Let's open it. So the first thing, always look at it, if it's the same or it's different, so you know exactly. So in my case, these two similar, this is similar, mounting boards are similar, so looks good. So I guess let's just put this bad boy inside the car and begin. Oh yes, this is better. Alternator is sitting inside. Let's just put the bolts on. So the putting the bolts on, I always hand tight them first, just in case. After putting them on with the hand, I can use this, which is good. Good. This is good. Now I'm just gonna torque them just to snug it, not too crazy tight. That's it. That's it. Not too tight, boys. Now we're gonna put this bolt to attach the cable. And put this connector back. Hold on, let me focus. Focus, right there. There you go, nice and click. And now we gotta put this connection back. So guys, once again, it's very easy job. 1 bolt, 2, yes, right there, and the 2 of them at the bottom. I'm sure you guys can see from this angle. This one and right next to it. When I remove my hand, it zooms, otherwise it's not zooming, right there. So I hope this video helped you guys, and now it's time to put the belt on, and I'll show you guys what to do with that also. So guys, after removing the belt, I think I made a good decision. I brought the new belt with me, and I also saw some rough marks outside and almost a little cut when the alternator broke off. So you can see these marks over here. I mean, inside the belt looks okay. So just to be safe side, I'm gonna put the new belt and I'm gonna share with you what's the part number on it. So guys, this is the belt I got for my 2018 Toyota Camry. So let's remove it and compare it. Yes, so the old belt is a little bit more flexible. So guys, in this job, the hard part is if your belt is you putting the new one. This one, it gave me a little bit hard time because I did not have the proper tool. Either had the sockets with the wrench, it doesn't fit on that tensioner pulley, which I'm gonna show you right there. As soon as I'm gonna remove my hand, you see right there, and you guys are gonna see the 14 mm socket works there, but you don't need a socket. The best thing you can use is the wrench like this, but the ratchet one, not even this one. So I got stuck here for a couple of minutes. Then you guys not gonna believe it what I did. I put this wrench here like that, and I force it with my hand much I can. Then it was touching right there. You can't go more than that. Then I put this line, you guys see, I went around this motor mount, I pull it out, so it gave me enough force to run the belt. So I installed the new belt. I did not remove anything else except just in case I removed this connector, just to be on the safe side, but it wasn't on the way anyway. Don't need to remove anything, not the hose. So that was it guys. So let's just put the battery terminal back and start the car. So guys, car is up and running. And guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit a like, and thank you for your supporting. See you guys in the next video. Bye.